Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey, hello, my name is Lauren. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make your first few sales over on Etsy. I know one of those frustrating things as a new Etsy shop owner can be for waiting on that first order to come in and then making sure that you continue to make those first couple of sales afterwards. Today, I'm going to be sharing my best tips and tricks and what exactly I would do if I was opening a brand new shop so that I can make my first few sales. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into it. The first thing that I would prioritize would be setting up your shop fully. This means having a logo, a banner photo, your about section, and your policies all filled out, along with including having some listings within your shop. When you have all of these things filled out, as people are going to be stumbling across your Etsy shop and your listings, they're going to notice that your shop looks professional, it looks like it's been open for a while, and you look like you know what you're doing. This is going to encourage them to be purchasing more, as people like to build trust and make sure that they can trust a shop before they purchase from them. So it's very important that you have all of these things filled out so that you can make sure you look professional and people are going to trust your shop enough to purchase from it. The second thing I would do is to make sure that you have a good number of listings within your shop. There is no right or wrong answer for how many listings. However, I would say to shoot for at least 10 listings within your shop. Now, obviously, this can differ depending on what you are selling, and if things are custom or one-off items, then potentially you're not going to be able to do 10 right away. But if you're, for example, a print-on-demand shop or a digital shop, you should definitely have more than 10 listings, as those items are easier to create in bulk. The reason you want to have a high number of listings within your shop is because when someone finds an item, they're likely going to go to your store and see what else you have. So they may also buy something else in conjunction with what they first found, or they might like something better than what you had if the first item wasn't exactly what they were looking for. This is going to be so great for your sales because if they don't have anything to go and look at once they come across that first item, they're likely not going to purchase from your shop. But if you have multiple things for them to choose from, they're either going to increase their cost of purchase or they're going to purchase the item that they saw, which is ideally what you want. Not to mention that the more listings you have on Etsy, the more chances you have of being found in the Etsy search, which when you're increasing your chances already by having more listings, you're therefore increasing your number of views and then hopefully also your number of sales. I would honestly make it a priority to continue increasing the number of listings in your shop consistently as you are building up your new shop, because this is going to be one of the best ways to drive sales on Etsy for you. Tip number 3 would be to create a TikTok or an Instagram reel. Specifically, if you are going to be posting on Instagram, I would recommend only doing an Instagram reel, as this is going to be your best way to reach the audience that you don't already have as followers. Instagram reels are still a really growing portion of the Instagram platform right now. They're pushing them a lot more heavily than static feed photo posts. So it's going to be one of your best ways to grow your Instagram, drive traffic to your website, and make more sales. Same goes for TikTok. TikTok is a fantastic platform for small businesses and creators and Etsy shop owners because you have a chance of going viral with literally no followers. What's important to note with both TikTok and Instagram is that you should likely be doing a trending sound or video idea. This is going to help you jump onto a trend, hopefully at the start of the trend versus at the very end. You really want to hop on early if you can, so that you are going to be one of the only creators under that trending sound or that video trend. And when you have that kind of early start to a trend, you're more likely to get a lot of views and a lot of interaction from that content. Now, if you can manage to leverage that trend or that trending sound and it be centered around your product that you're selling, you are going to be absolutely stunned at what TikTok and Instagram Reels can do for your business and your sales. And honestly, all it takes is one video. Making sure that you are posting videos, sharing your products, what they are, how to use them, how you make them, packaging them, etc. Those are all things that people are going to love to see. And if you are really, really bold, I would honestly also recommend going live on TikTok. I have been seeing so many small businesses and Etsy shops have success by going live on TikTok and sharing whatever it is that they're creating, how they're creating it, taking custom orders on the spot, or getting suggestions or tips or tricks, and so many more. And if you go live consistently, you'll end up building a really big following of people who tune into that live and are honestly going to be prompted interested to go and buy from your shop almost immediately. If you want to learn more about TikTok and Instagram and how you can use them to build your small business, I have another video over my channel for both. I will leave them linked in the description box down below so you guys can go and check them out after this one. And my fourth tip, if you have applied all of the above and you still have not gotten your first sale, reach out to your family and friends. They love you, they want to support you, and honestly, once you get that first sale under your belt, they can leave a review. They can leave a very positive 5-star review and you'll get that first sale, which then shows other shoppers when they come onto your shop that you can be trusted, that you are going to be creating a high quality product, that they're actually going to receive it, and that they know that what they spend their money on is going to be worth it. So when you have your family and friends support you in that way, it's going to give you that leverage to look a bit more serious and trusted on the Etsy platform, which is exactly what we need to build in order to encourage people to purchase from our shop. So yes, ask your family members, ask your friends. You don't even have to ship it to them. You could literally just hand deliver it to them in person after they place the order online, and then ask them to leave a review on the shop so that you can have some 5-star reviews under your belt so that your shop can start to get promoted a bit more in the Etsy search. If you are just starting out on Etsy, you feel like you're struggling, you need a little bit of additional help, I do have an Etsy Beginner's Master course for you guys if you want to sign up. We talk about everything from opening your shop, branding your shop, building your social media following, SEO, and so much more. It is so helpful, and I've had hundreds of you guys sign up for this course and found it incredibly helpful for building their Etsy shops. This is fantastic if you are a beginner or new to selling on Etsy. It really just is like a shortcut to figuring out all the answers to how to be successful without wasting your time, without wasting money. It's a fantastic tool if you're just beginning on Etsy. I'm going to link it up here for you guys in the corner of the video, as well as down below and at the end if you want to go and check it out after this. Right here on the screen for you guys, I'm going to link another video that I think you'll find helpful, as well as an entire playlist full of other Etsy related tips and tricks. Down here you're going to find my subscribe button so you can stick around for more videos. And lastly, we'll have the Etsy Beginner's Master course so you guys can go and check it out after the video. And without further ado, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys!